Hi, my beautiful sunshine, my beautiful dolls, and welcome back to this your channel. Thank you so much for pressing play. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to this your family. On this occasion, I'm going to be trying to encapsulate I got a little bit of every single decoration I have to encapsulate and put it on this little dish, and I'm showing you some dead flowers, some lace or tools, some metal, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to encapsulate all that. Let's go ahead and see if I can. I'm gonna do it on this nail right here, so let's get started. So to start, I'm going to first start with the Glow It number 5 from Exotic Nails, and I'm just gonna kind of brush it up kind of like a baby boomer, so I'll let you continue with the video. as you can see, unfortunately, I wasn't able to put every single thing in there. I'm gonna have to go ahead and try and find a longer nail so I could try this one more time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up if you liked. Comment, share. Please share the link down below of one of the videos I have of the proposal for a giveaway. If you wish to contact me for any reason, all my contacts are down below. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, it was just a for fun video, just to try and do this, but I am going to try it again once I find a bigger or longer nail. I really enjoyed doing this for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks again for watching. Thank you for being here always. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. Mwah. God bless you bunches, and I'll see you on the next one.